Welcome to Toronto. We are here for one of my favorite car events of the year. We have the 944 behind me, which we're going to be taking to Kaleidoscope tomorrow. We've been detailing it, getting it prepped all day. To say it's spotless would be an understatement, and I can't wait to take you guys along with me. We are back.
Oh, I have to go left anyways.
Brother, the fuck? I'm back with my Porsche bestie Rob. If you watched my stories earlier this year, you would know that I picked him up when he flew into Vancouver to pick up his first car, which, not his first car, his first Porsche, sorry. He's had many cars. But now the car's in Ontario, so he's taken me for a coffee run before we head to dinner to celebrate all the folks who are driving up for Kaleidoscope tomorrow. Yeah, he's done so many things to this car and it sounds fucking awesome. We got coffee. And he just found out that he has 2 cup holders, so that's exciting. Nice.
OMG.
Good morning, we have made it to Kaleidoscope 3. All the cars are just loading in right now. It's 7 a.m. here, but it's looking pretty good already. There's Lucas's Pesto GT3, of course. Got some other fun stuff. This is gonna be all filled with cars, but the 944 is tucked back in here, undergoing heavy detail duty already for the 2nd day in a row.